Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God. Bitch, I run the game, y'all just commentate from the side. I'm like, oh God.
Hey guys, WizBangla here, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to insert or replace your ink on your Canon 3000 series. So what you're gonna be doing is, first of all, you wanna turn on the printer itself. So I'm gonna just turn it on right here, and make sure the tray is all the way in, and then you want to put the cover toward you, and right here the ink. So you want to put the ink, this is the colored one and this is the black one. So you want to put this, push it down and pull it toward you, and that's how you open it up. And make sure you don't touch this right here, because it's gonna mess up the ink. And when you get the new one, there is a cover or something like that, you remove it, and then make sure this one goes up this way. Just push it until you hear a click, and then you close it. You're done. Thank you for watching. WizBangla. Peace.